Hello, everyone, and welcome to the BNMIT podcast. I am Bhumika from the Department of Computer Science here at BNMIT. Today, we are thrilled to have with us Dr. Shweta MD, Associate Professor from the Department of Computer Science, who's also an educator, learner, and a researcher. So, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhumika, for welcoming me here for today's podcast. It's my pleasure to be here for today's podcast.
So, in this episode, we'll be delving into a topic that has impacts on a lot of students. So, this is an intriguing relationship that spirituality holds on academic performance of students. So, how do these seemingly different topics blend and connect, and what kind of impact spirituality bring on a student's life? So, we will explore more on this through a series of questions and answers with Ma. So, without further ado, let's dive in. So, to begin with, what perspectives do you hold about spirituality and how would you define it for a student?
As per the Vedic literature, like Bhagavad Gita, it is annotated as we are all the spirit souls, we are not the body. As how we change the dresses daily, the spirit souls will not be changed like that. It will remain as it is, a fixed and constant state. So, spirituality is more of how you are controlling your mind, and also you are going to do some activities that involves visiting the temples, taking honored prasadams, reading Bhagavad Gita or any spiritual books where you can enrich your knowledge and also do your regular daily practices that enhances your academic performance in the students.
That was very insightful. So, now could you specify any particular practices or habits that you can follow in your daily life or at work?
Certainly, I would like to say the practicing of spirituality, it is comprises of doing mantra meditation. The mantra, that is a word combined with man and tra. Man means mind. Tra means the vibrations of the mind that remains in the mind for a longer time, where the mantra is going to be combined with the man and tra, that is sound vibrations where you can control your emotions and also your controlling of thoughts. So this mantra meditation is more helpful to make your mind so much stable and calm in your mind. So this mantra meditation, if you do it regularly, it will make you to be stay focused, and also you can reduce your anxiety, you can improve your communication skills, and you can balance your lifestyle, and also it is going to make you keep fit strong enough and also be resilient.
That was very well articulated, ma'am. So, in your experience, how do you think spirituality impacts a student's mindset, especially in handling stress, building resilience, and maintaining a focus for a longer duration?
So, this spirituality is going to be greatly benefited when you practice all these spiritual activities regular basis. So, this spirituality is the thing where you can practice. Also, it is going to build your mind so much focused, and also it is going to give you complete perception of the person's mindset will be differed. So, and it is also greatly benefited by reducing their stress levels. They can improve their communications, and also they can foster their positive attitude, and also it will be encouraged and greatly benefited to keep their mind strong and fit enough.
That was again well said, ma'am. So, what benefits do you think that students can reap out of this, both in their professional life and in their academic lives?
Spirituality will offer greatly benefited in their personal and academic growth as well. So, personally, if they practice these spiritual activities on a daily basis, this is going to make their huge impact in their personal and academic growth by improving their academic, by setting up their goals, and their growth mindset will be set in a positive note, and also they can build up their career in also improve their communication skills and foster their positive attitude and make their growth mindset to improve all their career opportunities. Whatever they get, they can grab it, and they can build it across towards the learning opportunities, and they can lead their life successfully both in personally and academically as well.
Oh, that is very interesting. So, are there any well known figures or personalities whom you admire who have openly embraced spirituality and have found positive impacts in their growth or career?
So, as I said, the famous figures, they have contributed to the society with their creativity, mindful thoughts towards their vision, their goals, and what they can give back to the society with their leadership skills. So, they have taken up their entire team and drive that into their successful career and personal growth. They are going to have a complete clear set of ideas which they can execute it, that leads to their successful path journey. And also they have a clear sense of clarity of mindful thoughts, and also they can control their emotions in a right directions, so that they can obviously reach out their success very well in a positive attitude and in the right direction.
Well, that was very inspiring. On a more personal note, how has spirituality influenced your own life in terms of career and overall outlook or in your daily life?
Spirituality, it is very much important aspect to be considered. It's not only for being a mother or a professor or a teacher or an engineer or any career oriented person. This is applicable for any professions whoever they work. So this is going to make a huge impact once they follow this spirituality in practice in their daily life. So I can say such activities like waking up them early and doing physical exercises and keep their mentally fit, and also physically they can stay healthy, so that they can have a clarity of mindful thoughts to reach out their life journey in a more disciplined manner and a lawful manner. So this is going to make their career journey in a very smoother manner, and also this is going to open up their all their learning capabilities into grab their career opportunities and lead their academic performance in a successful journey.
I hope everyone makes use of the things that you just quoted, ma'am. So, for students who are more curious on beginning with spirituality, are there any books that you might recommend as a starting point?
Yes, definitely. I would like to recommend you spiritual best books, as it is written by A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. He has written so many books, around 70 books, which are entitled as the most inspired book for me, that is Science of Self-Realization. So this is a book where I have profound and opened up my inner strength and also the weaknesses where I need to work on and improve my skills. So this is a book where I transform myself by incorporating all the spiritual practices that lead me to reach out to this position right now. So these spiritual practices will be greatly benefited when you practice daily basis. So these are the many books I can also recommend to anybody who is really willing to read the spiritual books. Such books are A Journey of Self-Discovery, Perfect Questions and Perfect Answers, Coming Back Home, and there are so many other books like Life Comes After Life. So these are the most recommended books which you can read out on a daily basis. This will surely transform you overall to reach out to your academic performance to your best.
I can't wait to read that book myself. So, finally, any words of advice for students who want to incorporate spirituality into their academic life?
So finally, I would like to give a spirituality on a positive note. So I can say that spirituality is like connecting to the divine. So the connecting to the divine means consciousness. How we are going to keep your mind in a conscious way, how we are going to deal with connecting to the divine. So you will be knowing that consciously, with the present state of mind, you are going to lead your life with a positive attitude, with improving your communication skills, how to stay focused, how to do your daily activities in a positive manner, and how to stay strong and resilient. Okay, so this spirituality is you are going to instruct the students also to control their mind, because you know that in this age how the students minds or any person's mind will be wandering here and there. You know that on an average around 60,000 of thoughts will be running in and around on a daily basis. So that many emotions or thoughts you need to be controlled, that can be done only through practices, that is doing mantra meditations. So I recommend you to daily practice this spiritual journey. If you want to kick out of this, you have to start meditating with this mantra meditation, which will calm down your steady state, and also it will help you to stay focused, and you can establish a career journey in a successful manner. So I can tell you, I can assure you also, this spirituality will make you a new person or a newly transformed person by inculcating all these spiritual values. So I would like to recommend you to practice at least for 21 days. So if you want to see any positive results, obviously you all knew that you have to practice for 21 days. So you can't expect the results immediately. At least for 21 days you need to practice this. I can reassure you that you will greatly benefited by practicing and all incorporating this spiritual practices in your daily activities. You can see the huge change and make a huge difference in your career as well as in your academics and in your career growth with the growth mindset. Finally, I am going to end up the spirituality thought with this, leaving this quote: the spirituality, the art of keeping your inner fire alive.
That was a very good quote, Ma. Now we have reached the end of today's segment. We hope that this podcast helped shed light on spirituality and its benefits for students in their academic life. Stay tuned for more upcoming episodes. Stay informed, stay authentic.